Continuing with the linear function quiz from April 18th, let's look at questions 8, 9, and 10. So number 8 said, find the slope of a line that passes through 2 points. Here are the 2 points. Well, remember, it's easy to find the slope. And remember, you have to have your points here arranged left to right, and then you subtract right to left. So that's from an x-axis perspective. So we have minus 6 is to the left of minus 3. So this already appears to be arranged in the correct order. So, said another way, minus 3 is to the right of minus 6. So these points are arranged in the right order. So now we subtract the y's right to left. So we get 2 minus 4. Now we subtract the x's right to left. Minus 3 minus a minus 6. So this becomes 2 minus 4 is a minus 2. Then we get a minus 3 plus 6. Minus 3 plus 6. So we have that right there. So we solve now for the slope. Here's the slope. Minus 2 over 3. But you know what? Let's take this a step further. Even though we have the answer, they only asked for the slope. Let's go ahead and write this in a linear function format. So what do we know so far? Y equals, the slope is minus 2/3. And so we're looking to solve for b. So what can we do here? Let's pick one of these points and we'll add it in the equation. So let's go ahead and use this point right here. So 2 is y equals minus 2/3, x is a minus 3, plus b. So we can further reduce this down. So it says 2 equals, so minus a minus here, so we have a positive 6 divided by 3. A positive 6 divided by 3 is really just a 2 plus b. So what can we see from here? Well, I can already see that b has got to be 0, then that makes this 2 plus 2. So b equals 0. So now, really our formula now is y equals minus 2/3 x plus 0. This is the linear function. We were able to solve for it even though she only wanted to have the slope. Let's check it out. If we use the other point in here, so this becomes a 4 here, and then if we have a minus 6 here, that becomes a positive 12 over 3. That equals a 4. And of course 0, 0. So if we insert that into the equation, it works as well. Now let's jump over to 9. So 9 says graph the following equations. Okay, so y equals mx plus b. So the slope is given to us. It's a half. And it doesn't have the b part, but we can write 0. So that means the y-intercept equals 0. So the y-intercept is 0. Let's graph that right there. And then the slope is a half. And so what is that? Rise over run equals the slope. So we have a rise of 1 and a run of 2. So we got to go to the right 2 and go up 1. See, that represents a rise of 1 and a run of 2. So that would be how you graph that. Number 10. We need to get this down to y equals mx plus b. So we have to divide by 2. Divide by 2. That simplifies into y equals a half times 2x minus 4. So y equals half of 2 is just 1. Half of minus 4 is a minus 2. So what do we know? Slope equals 1. Y-intercept equals minus 2. Slope 1, y-intercept minus 2. Y-intercept is minus 2. Slope is 1. So another way, again, rise over the run is 1. 1, 1. Go over 1 and up 1. It's right there. And so that would be how you do that.